So we're out here on this big Regency, and I've got an HDS 7 here in the console. And some of you all might want to know how to, kind of move around the menus, change some of the things you're looking at, see the information you want on screen. So we'll talk a little bit about that today. So this is a full touchscreen display, so I do have multi-touch, so like you can see I can pinch to zoom on the chart, so that's really nice, just like your phone. But I also have a full keypad over here on the side as well, and I can control all kinds of things from here. I can zoom in just like I did with the pinch to zoom, but here with the buttons as well. I can move around on the chart if I want. I can mark waypoints, so if I find a specific place I want to come back to, all I have to do is tap this flag key right here and it'll let me drop a waypoint, so I can mark anywhere on the chart that I want. But if you want to switch between, like let's say you want to switch between your chart or switch between sonar or see several things at the same time, all you have to do is press this button up here. This is our Pages button. This will take you right to our home screen, and you see we got a bunch of apps pretty much again just like your phone. And all you have to do is tap whichever one you want. So if I want a full screen chart, I just hit the chart button. If I wanted to see just my sonar, I hit just the sonar button. One of the things that's a little bit hidden in here that a lot of people don't know about is if I want to just see two things like my chart and my sonar side by side, I can press and hold on my chart icon and it'll give me quick splits. So I can do chart plus any of the other functions I have with just a quick button push. So if I want to see my two side by side, that's really nice. If I wanted to do three things, like let's say if I wanted to maybe do a little bit of fishing and I wanted to see my chart and my sonar and my down scan together, I can actually build a 3-panel split. So just press this plus, I drag in the 3 that I want, and now I've got all 3 of these functions right here. So when I click save, it'll take me straight to it, and now I can see everything that I've got right there on screen at the same time. And if I ever go back to my Pages button, that setup I put will be right here in the bottom corner.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.